2 years. It's been about 2 years since I asked you to marry me. And to be honest, you're crazy for saying yes. But I'm so glad you did. We haven't been married for long, but one thing's for sure is that you make my world go round. I couldn't be more grateful, more thankful, more joyful without you with me. Every day is another day where I get to spend my living moments with you. And to think we have so many more years ahead of us. I can say all the typical things, like how beautiful you look when you don't try, how you're so smart and intelligent even if you don't think so, and how much you make me laugh because of how funny you are. But you're not a typical woman. You're brave and strong, you're kind and fierce, and you're the biggest blessing I can call mine. You say this to me all the time: life didn't have color until I met you. And I would say that you are the color. You're bright and saturated, but all at the same time, you're muted and pastel. You're the whole color spectrum that paints my world. You just turned 25 today, and it's crazy to think that we've been together for 5 years now. We saw snow for the first time, we visited California for the first time together, we drove across the country for the first time, as well as having our first bad days with each other, our first loss in a family that we've experienced together, and God forbid, our first fight that may come. But there's no one I'd rather have all my first with. You love me for who I am, and I hope you feel like I do the same for you. I wouldn't change a thing about you. To my lovely forever bride. Happy birthday, Jillian.